Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Ashrakatia 247 YouTube channel. Today I will explain you about the Burj Khalifa history. Burj Khalifa has been the tallest building in the world since 2009. It is situated at downtown in Dubai. Its total height is 2,722 feet and roof height is 2,717 feet, including a 800 feet spire. Construction of the Burj Khalifa had begun in 2004 and it had completed in 5 years till 2009. Its primary structure is reinforced concrete. The building was opened in 2010. The decision to construct the building is based on the government decision to diversify from an oil-based economy and for Dubai to gain international recognition. The building was originally named Burj Dubai but was renamed in honor of the ruler of Abu Dhabi and President of the United Arab Emirates, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The building broke numerous height records. Burj Khalifa was designed by Adrian Smith, Owings and Merrill. The design is derived from the Islamic architecture of the region, such as in the Great Mosque of Samarra. It contains a total of 57 elevators and 8 escalators. The concept of profitability derived from building high-density developments and malls around the landmark have proven successful. Burj Khalifa was designed to be the centerpiece of a large scale for mixed use, includes 30,000 homes, 9 hotels, 3 hectares, 7.4 acres of parkland, at least 19 residential skyscrapers, the Dubai Mall, and the 12 hectares 30-acre artificial Burj Khalifa Lake. The Burj Khalifa set several world records, including tallest existing structure 829 meters, tallest structure ever built 829.9 meter, tallest freestanding structure 829.8 meter, tallest skyscraper to top of spire 828 meter, tallest skyscrapers to top of antenna 829.8 meter, building with most floors 163, world's highest elevators installation, world longest travel distance elevator 504 meters, highest vertical concrete pumping for a building 606 meters, 988 feet, world's tallest structure that includes residential space, world's highest installation of an aluminium and glass facade, 512 meters, world's highest nightclub 144th floor, world's highest restaurant 122 floor at 442 meters, world's highest New Year display of fireworks, world's largest high-end sound show stacked on a single building. The Dubai Fountain is choreographer of fountain system, also located on the 12 hectares 30 acres man-made Burj Khalifa Lake. It was designed by Wet Design. The name of the fountain was chosen offer a contest organized by the developed Emaar Properties, the result of which was announced on 26 October 2008. Testing of the fountain begins in February 2009, and the fountain was officially inaugurated on 8 May 2009, along with the official opening ceremony of the Dubai Mall.